Hey guys, so if you like to play the game IMVU, I'm going to show you how to get rich on it. So I'm going to open it up, and as you can see, I'm pretty broke, but when I press this button, I can actually add free credits. So now the credits are going to start increasing, and then I'm going to show you how to get the IMVU mod. So let's see if the credits go up. So as you can see, guys, it says like console and all this shit. So I'm just going to wait, and then it should be rich. So let's see what happens. And finalizing. All right, so now the credits are going to rise, hopefully, and then I'm going to show you how to get this IMVU modded version for your phone. Oh yeah, it works, guys. That's crazy. So I'm going to show you how to download this. So if you like to play IMVU, keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you how to get this. It's super awesome. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the website matrixmods.com. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're in this website, guys, just type IMVU, press on it, press download, and then before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So you just have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So it's basically going to say we got to do the verification. So we just got to download 2 of these apps, you know, whatever they may be. So you can see we got Travel Town. This one's like down to reach level 9. So I just press continue. Takes me to the App Store. I got to play it until I reach level 9. So yeah, have fun, guys. But this is super simple, bro. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the method. But that's how to get rich on IMVU. Literally just play 2 of the apps and you're done. Now, if we go back to the list, there's some other apps in here. So we got Moj Casino, you know. If you press help, there's a video you can watch. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So you know what? I'm going to go to the App Store and type in IMVU just to show you guys how bad this is. So let me just type it in, and here it is. So as you can see, you don't need the game installed, by the way. This is a separate modded version, but as you can see, it's super expensive. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is super awesome. Totally works. So if you're broke in IMVU, guys, now you know how to get rich. So yeah, this is super epic, guys, as you can see. So be sure to try it out for yourself. This is 2026 method. So you guys have got to give it a shot. And you can see we got the anti-ban here. So this is super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. There's lots of settings in here too. So you guys can use those, which is great. So yeah, just try it out, guys. Download 2 of the apps and you're going to be all set. I don't know what apps are in your country. I'm in the US, so these are the ones they give me, but you know, if you want to do different ones in India or something, just do those. But yeah, this is super cool, guys. So that's how to get rich on IMVU, unlimited credits. So this is super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this is fully working, guys. 2026. Can you believe it? There's a real modded IMVU out there. I can't believe it, but now I can. So yeah, try it out, guys. This is so fun. And I got so many credits. I mean, I can't even use all this. But yeah, it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, unlimited, guys. So be sure to try it out. You got the anti-ban in here. Whatever IMVU Plus is. I don't know. But yeah, it's just super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to subscribe. Just like download 2 of the apps. You're going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys in another one. But if this works for you guys, let me know because I'm trying to make only videos about things that work. So, you know, a lot of shit don't work anymore, but this one works. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace out, my squadron.